Memorial Pediatric Hematology physicians deliver expert, compassionate care for children and their families.
I am Professor Dr. Vedat Uygun. I am a pediatric hematology and bone marrow transplant specialist. I have been in this field for about 20 years. I have experience with over 2,000 bone marrow transplants. Who do we generally perform bone marrow transplants on? Especially for cancer patients like those with leukemia who haven't responded to treatment, and for blood diseases like thalassemia that won't heal with any other treatment, in cases of bone marrow failure, and in what we call metabolic diseases such as mucopolysaccharidosis and adrenoleukodystrophy. And in some hereditary diseases where the immune system is impaired, we perform bone marrow transplants in these cases. We have a great deal of experience. Our success is at an international level. Bone marrow transplantation is a very difficult form of treatment. It should not be performed for every disease. Each disease and each patient must have their own specific reasons for it. Therefore, patients are accepted for transplantation only after a very detailed evaluation. It is never a first-line form of treatment. Before the transplant, the patient receives very high-dose chemotherapy. For the transplant to be successful, this process actually has both good and bad consequences. This subsequent transplant ensures engraftment and the continuation of life. What are the downsides? There can be some side effects, adverse outcomes, both short-term and long-term. For this reason, the team performing it needs to be very experienced in order to recognize some problems early and to be able to intervene. Since we have been in this field for 20 years, our success rate is therefore above average. As a center, we aim to monitor the patient at frequent intervals before, during, and after the transplant. This is definitely a factor that greatly increases success. In the presence of any disease where a bone marrow transplant would be beneficial, we as a center are always by your side. I wish you healthy days.